Login loop error on PayPal fix. If you're stuck in a login loop on the PayPal app where you log in, it loads for a second and then just throws you right back to the sign-in screen. You're not alone. The surprising truth is that it's rarely your account or password causing the issue. Instead, it's a simple glitch caused by stored login data or conflicting app permissions. Here's how to fix it fast. First, force close the PayPal app completely. Then go to your device's settings, open apps, find PayPal, and select storage. Tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. This will erase any expired or corrupted login tokens that are preventing the app from verifying your session. Next, reopen the PayPal app and log in manually. Avoid using Save Password or autofill for this step. Typing your credentials directly ensures the app refreshes your account data correctly. If the loop continues, check your phone's date and time settings. Make sure Thayer is set to automatic. PayPal's security system relies heavily on real-time encryption keys, and a mismatch between your phone's clock and their servers can cause repeated login failures. If you're using a phone or have an ad blocker installed, disable it temporarily. PayPal flags some phones as suspicious because they hide your location or IP, which can make the app reject your login attempt and loop you out. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall the PayPal app. This resets permissions, clears hidden errors, and ensures you're using the most recent version. Once you're logged back in, enable biometric login or two-step verification to avoid repeating the issue in the future. So, if PayPal keeps looping you back to the login page, don't stress. Clear your cache, sync your device time, and disable your VPN. Follow these quick steps, and you'll be back sending and receiving money smoothly in minutes.